shot heard round the world. In the streets of Boston, tension thick in the air. They couldn't bear the tyranny. They wouldn't despair. From Lexington to Concord, they marched without fear. They knew in their hearts the end was drawing near. They fought with conviction, every sword and every gun. United as one, they couldn't be undone. Against the British rule, they stood undeterred. Their spirit unbreakable, their spirit unbreakable. Their voices were heard. In the land of the brave, where freedom unfurled, the patriots rose. They stood up for the world, with hearts full of fire and a flag unfurled.